Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are in the W123 Mercedes and we are camping. I don't know if that's the good word for it, but we are sleeping in the W123. These are the to avoid sunlight in the morning. So don't mind that. It's a little bit not so beautiful. But
no.
We have put a mattress, some
pillows.
of pillows over this, and I can say that it's pretty nice. It doesn't hurt my back, so it's pretty nice. And we're going to sleep here. My girlfriend is doing that stuff, and then we're going to watch a movie and sleep in here. I think people will not see us because the window is wet, so you can't look to the inside, but some sunlight will go through the windows, and then we'll not be awake that early through the sunlight, I think. Tomorrow we are gonna give you an update of how we slept here and slept here and until then. And good morning, guys. There we are. My girlfriend is still sleeping and it's a beautiful morning. It's going to be a beautiful day today. The sun is shining a bit and it is lovely. I've slept very well and it's now, I don't know, it's 1 second. I have my horloge the wrong way. It's wait. It's how do I say that in English? 9:15, Ted.
9:15.
It's 9:15. That's how late it is. But that don't make any sense. But I'm going to put this seat back to the normal position, and then I'm going to drive and see if she can sleep a bit. There we go. Oh, it slept very nice, I think. And the birds are already chirping. I don't know how I can say it. Chirping, making sounds, I don't know. But it sounds lovely. And we just hit the 270,000 kilometers on the W123. And look at this, the beautiful star on the front. It's I can't imagine a better place to wake up than in a W123. I want to live in a W123, guys. Maybe I'm weird, but I think I feel like a millionaire if I'm sleeping every night in a W123 because I'm so rich. I like it so much. It's my favorite car and I love it. So I'd rather sleep in a W123 than in a villa from a million euros or something. I think I'm happier in just a car, and I can be happier if I have no home and only a car, a W123 car, than that I'm millionaire and I don't have this car. So I can't wait until I have my W123 station, my S123. That's my dream car, like many of you already know. I'm saving for it and I hope I can buy it this summer and travel with it, make lots of videos with it, get it in a beautiful condition and share everything with you guys. And I hope if you like to support me with that, you can now buy my merchandise. I don't know if you can see it. This is my merchandise, guys. It's very nice. It's very good quality. It's nice. I've just designed the back print with a W123 on it, the best Mercedes ever. And I hope, like I said, that I can make my dream come true and get myself a W123 station wagon. So if you want to support me, you can buy it. Link is in the description, and yeah, we're gonna drive again, I think. Just going to get the seat back to the normal position. Whoa, it's there's not much space here. I have to. There we are again. Are you going to sleep again? She's just awake, guys. Darling. In Dutch we call it schat. Hey schatje. But in English we say darling. Have you slept well? Have you slept well, darling? Mm-hmm. Yes. You can be more enthusiastic. Have you slept well, darling? Yeah, she have slept very well, and the seat is almost back to the normal position. And then I'm going to show you the car and start it up and drive a bit. Let's go. Preheated, pre-glow, I don't know how to say it, and there it goes. It runs very slow, very smooth, I like it. But to heat it up, I'm going to turn it up a bit and give it a bit more gas. A bit more diesel, sorry. And I think it's going to be a very beautiful day, like I said. And we're going to have some fun. And I'm going to show you the car. Look at this, how nice. I think you cannot not love this sound, I think. If you not love it, let me know in the comments, but I love it. And the beautiful Mercedes emblem. I like it. Guys, my hair is not good today. I'm just waking up. Just awake, woke up. I just woke up. My girlfriend is doing her makeup. You look good.
But I can't see. And if I put my mirror here, it's shaking because of the car.
Yeah. The diesel shakes a lot.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, look at this.
But
can you see yourself?
It's a little bit dirty.
Yeah, I think you can. I have to do the blowers on because the windshield, the window is a bit wet. The blowers are very good as well. In a few minutes it will get very hot, and yeah, they work pretty good, I think. And take a look at the exhaust sound, guys, and the smoke that it makes. you can already see within a few minutes where the car is parked because of that black thing on the ground. But yeah, I love it. I love diesels, all diesels. They run forever, and especially this W123 runs forever. So yeah, the W123 is a good car, very, very well built, very reliable, and I like it. But yeah, I think we're going to drive. Let's go. My girlfriend is still laying in the chair under the clothes, the blanket, under the blanket, and we're going to take a little drive. I don't know to where we.
The window is still open.
Will go, but yeah, but the blower needs to be on a bit. But which way? Left or right?
Left.
Okay. choice, good choice.
It's dripping on my blanket. I think the window.
Oh yeah. And hear the lovely diesel sounds, guys. Oh, I like it. And the smell of the diesel, it's the best smell ever, I think. I can't get enough of it. And here you have a beautiful view over the lake, the IJsselmeer. That's how we call it in the Netherlands. Aha, Ulbe. And there we go. As you can see, the beautiful view. Wow. And a blue sky for the first time in months. There's a blue sky again, guys. Yeah, it's winter in the Netherlands, the place where we are right now. Winter, yeah.
Winter.
Pretty cold, but today it's going to be a hot day, or hot. It's it's getting 15 degrees, so that's nice. It's for the winter, it's pretty hot. And it's almost spring, so it's in this month the weather always is a bit different than the other day. The other day it's freezing cold, and the other day it's 15 degrees or something. But yeah, it's a beautiful place, and we're going to take breakfast. Breakfast. We have the beautiful picnic box with us, and we have made some beautiful we have beautiful food in it. Guys, look at this. I've just made a beautiful sandwich with some tomato, cheese and cucumber, I don't know how to tell it in a cucumber, and I think it's very tasty. Bon appetit, guys. And what do you have?
Cheese.
And now I have some meat on it too. Sausage.
JE19.
Like it. Okay, guys, the sandwich was very tasty. And now we have a bucket of yogurt. Very tasty also. I'm going to heat it all up. Very nice. And the sun, the whole sky turned blue. It's very nice, beautiful weather, and lovely. Yeah.
Lovely.
You have the strawberries. Lovely too. I have the tomato and the cucumber. I love it. Guys, this is what life all is about. It's beautiful.
That's for sure.
And look at this, guys, how beautiful. We've just finished our breakfast, and now we're going home again. I hope you like this video. Buy your merchandise down below in the description, and until the next video.
See you.
Bye.